Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Sons of the Forest not loading. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First click here and then type Windows Update Settings. Check for updates. Now just install all the updates that you can find and then just close this window. Click here and then go to background apps and now turn off this option and go back and then go to GeForce Experience. Go to drivers, check for updates, make sure to install all the updates that you can, the latest update that you can find. Then go to settings, scroll down and image scaling, enable this option. And after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next method. Go to view advanced system settings, go to settings, click adjust for best performance, then click apply and OK and close it, and then go to graphics settings, make sure it's on, restart your PC, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.